Okay guys, so in the last video we installed the new rear struts, and in this one we're going to be putting together my new FrontRunner rear ladder. So guys, I decided to go with the FrontRunner ladder for a couple of reasons. Number one is the affordability. Compared to other manufacturers like C4, Victory 4x4, Westcott Designs, Gobi, this ladder at the time of making this video is priced at $278. After tax and shipping, it comes out to $299. And shipping was incredibly fast. I ordered it on Monday and then got it on Thursday. And so the turnaround time is very, very quick with this ladder. So it's powder coated steel ladder. It comes in at 13.7 pounds. So it's not too heavy, but it's also not as light as, say, an aluminum ladder. Doing my research, I kind of came down to two ladders, either the Westcott design or this FrontRunner ladder. And then, debating, going back and forth, I decided to go with the FrontRunner because I saved almost $100 just on this ladder compared to the Westcott design. So FrontRunner is a very reliable, they're a very reputable company as well, and so we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot, install it on the 4Runner, and then I'll give you guys a before and after look of the vehicle. So as with all FrontRunner products, their packaging is immaculate, right? Installation manual, top plate, nice bubble wrap, and you got your two side pieces. This ladder comes in 3 pieces and you have to assemble them together. So you have your side rails, you have your bottom plate, and then you have your miscellaneous, screws, bolts, nuts, and stuff like that in this packaging. So let's go ahead and unwrap everything, start assembling the ladder, and then we'll go ahead and install the top plates. So as I mentioned, the ladder comes in 3 pieces. You have your top plate. These are the top struts. They kind of go like this on the outside. And then these are the bottom pieces that end up connecting like that. All right. And then this is the bottom half, and then this will simply attach on like that right there. So it comes in 3 pieces. You do have to assemble it. It does not come assembled. Pretty easy though, just some hex nuts and stuff like that you got to put together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now and speed this up so you don't have to sit through the whole thing. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, that's the first half. We're gonna go ahead and assemble the bottom half. So far, so good. Really nice build quality. All right, guys, so this is the bottom half. We've had the steps installed. We already built the first half. Now we're gonna connect them up, and then we'll install the top and the bottom plate and put everything together. Guys, so the top and the bottom half are connected by this plate. This goes in between here, connecting the bottom and the top half just like that. So the ladder is assembled. Now we've attached the bottom piece to the top. All the screws are in. Now I'm just going to put the top and bottom plate on. We'll mount this, and then we're pretty much done. So let's go ahead and work on the top and bottom plate now. Okay, so FrontRunner recommends that we measure out 10 meters from this seam right here. So here I have it, 10 meters right there. We're going to go ahead and clean this area and then install this top plate right here. Just going to use the IPA wipe, clean the area, making sure that I have a nice area for the double-sided tape to bond well to it. Okay, top plate is installed. There we go. Let's work on the bottom one now. So for the bottom, FrontRunner measures 22 millimeters here with the tape here. And this is a no drill ladder, so no drilling, okay? FrontRunner gives you this metal wedge that you're gonna tape inside here. And then essentially what you're gonna do is put the bottom bracket on and just screw it onto this metal wedge that is provided with you. So no drilling, but this is the solution they came up with, which is really similar to, you know, the other manufacturers like Gobi and stuff like that. That is a no drill. So okay guys, so that was it, the install for the FrontRunner 5th Gen 4Runner ladder. So like I said, really easy install, just the top plate, bottom, assemble the ladder, and that's it. So it's a one-person job, but it can be kind of tedious for one person. If you had another set of hands, it might be a little bit easier. It's kind of hard to align this just by yourself. So if you have someone there to help you, it'll make it a lot easier, but it definitely can be done with one person. Like I said, guys, it's a really affordable ladder. Shipping was really fast, so check them out. Once again, this is the FrontRunner ladder for the 5th Gen 4Runner. So see you guys in the next one, guys.